No, maybe get a blister on your little finger. Maybe get a blister on your thumb. Gotta install microwave oven, custom kitchen delivery. Gotta move these refrigerator. Gotta move these color TVs. That little mama with his earring and the makeup. Yeah, buddy, that's his affair. That little mama got his own jet airplane. Little mama is a millionaire. Gotta install microwave oven, custom kitchen delivery. Got to move these refrigerator. Gotta move these color TVs. Surgaci pati matiago, pormodu gawat katlago.
Hambo shingur kaila, pulang Bogor zaila, miaulai to tam to bukango.
Motiaci rani kotago, mankaci rasitikago.
Oh, marit makago.
Teka porla tu jembo, inga naka forza koriamo.
Puloy, puloy.
Mogam sa pultolo,
Shesani toy tolo.
teka warna lima tolo.
Ay to somila gawang kapoy tolo.
Rati ko need porona, sokarji hakaina, jeuna chirut lagona, queso tu este corona. Mogam so
Petuti, sonsara korukti,
pirmo di
pututi, anikona sumoroti.
yoko yoko pan mochayo, digo motuzo.
Mona que potola, rawon que zaila, lagalai que solo uso.
Nago how queso tadulo, sukazo shizu purkulo.
Oh, kidak so dai dai.
Sopne uloitai, shiwa kela saya suyazo.
Three. Well, I have the list here of the 3 finalists. One of them will be crowned Voice of Goa. Well, we had 11 finalists. Some of them will go home unhappy today, but they shouldn't be disheartened because the fact that they made it to the finals is itself a big achievement. All right, so here is the list of the 3 finalists. Our first finalist of Kingfisher Voice of Goa, Cyrus Byrne. The next contestant who's made it to the finals, please put your hands together for Jacqueline Payne. The third and final name that I have here in this list, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Jennifer Fernandez. Congratulations, Jennifer. Well done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, these are the 3 finalists. Our judges are also ready. I hope the audience is ready. One of them will be crowned Voice of Goa, and a lot is at stake, apart from the title of being Kingfisher Voice of Goa. So please welcome Jacqueline Payne.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. never found anyone to fulfill my needs. A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on you. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity, because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all.
And invite our second finalist. Well, she's all set. Please put your hands together for Jennifer Fernandez. It's time now to invite our last and final contestant before Edwin and Pure Magic take center stage. Our last and final contestant, please put your hands together for Cyrus Byrne.
I broke a heart which took my life. A broken heart, a broken life. The day has dawned, the night arose. Through my eyes, her tears flow. My heart's in pain, oh, lost no gain. Don't do this, babe, I'm going insane. Love you more than I did myself. Still today, babe, my love is just the same. Trust my love, baby, let it pour onto you. Take this were meant to be this way. It's our love's last breath each day. Please hear what I say. I love you every day. Love you more than I did myself. Till today, babe, my love is just the same. Trust my love, baby, let it pour onto you. Take this pain away, I'm going insane. Going insane, going insane.
But ladies and gentlemen, this is Kingfisher, Voice of Goa, Goa's biggest talent hunt contest. We had auditions over the last 1 month, and today here we are for the grand finale. Who will be crowned the Kingfisher Voice of Goa? Well, as I said, this is Goa's biggest talent hunt contest. This is the 8th year in succession that we are looking out for the best voices in Goa. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it boils down to the grand finale, to crowning the Kingfisher Voice of Goa. Well, we have all the 3 finalists, but one will be crowned. They've all got a big smile on their face. It's no mean achievement to make it to the finals. All right. So here are the results as decided by the judges. Ladies and gentlemen, Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2012 is, any guesses? Well, there are various guesses, but Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2012 is Cyrus Burn. I'd like to request our guests to please give away the prize. Mr. Avirtan Furtado, Mr. Benjamin Silva, and Mr. Kaitan De Silva, if you could please, along with Studio Nation. Can we have some music, please? All right, come on, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure it deserves a big round of applause. Can we hear it, please, for Cyrus Burn?
La 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 lila yo, la 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 lila yo.
Oh, me and my friends, the king of good time. We're gonna have a good time. Get together.
La 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 lila yo, la 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 leo, la 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 lila yo, la 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 leo, la 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 la, hey, la 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 leo.